all about Aquilegia Chrysantha, a gardener's guide. Hi, Ferbvu here. I'm a passionate gardener with a fondness for all things beautiful and low maintenance. Today we're diving into the world of Aquilegia Chrysantha, also known as the golden columbine. This stunning perennial boasts sunshine yellow blooms and a carefree attitude, making it a perfect addition to any shade garden. See more 135 species in genus Aquilegia at monsteraholic.com. What is Aquilegia Chrysantha? Aquilegia Chrysantha is a hardy, clump-forming perennial native to the southwestern United States. It thrives in the cool, moist mountain regions, bringing a touch of sunshine to shady woodlands. Standing tall at 3 to 4 feet, it captivates with its ferny, green foliage and large, nodding flowers. The star of the show, however, are the golden yellow blooms with long, elegant spurs. How to plant and care for golden columbine. Planting your Aquilegia Chrysantha is a breeze. Here's what you need to know. Light, partial shade is ideal. They'll tolerate some morning sun but wilt under harsh afternoon heat. Soil, well-drained, fertile soil is key. Loam or clay works well, but they'll adapt to a wider range. Amending your soil with compost before planting is beneficial. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during the first growing season. Established plants are more drought-tolerant, but appreciate a good drink during dry spells. Feeding. A light feeding of balanced fertilizer in early spring can give your columbine a boost. Deadheading. Regularly removing spent flowers encourages continuous blooming throughout the season. Planting tips. Start seeds indoors 8 to 10 weeks before the last frost. Alternatively, sow seeds directly in the garden in fall for spring germination. Space plants 12 to 18 inches apart to allow for good air circulation. Mulch around the base of the plant to retain moisture and suppress weeds. How long does Aquilegia Chrysantha bloom? You can expect a delightful display of golden flowers for 4 to 6 weeks in late spring to early summer. Is Aquilegia Chrysantha deer resistant? Yes. Deer find the foliage unpalatable, making it a great choice for gardens frequented by these browsing herbivores. Is Aquilegia Chrysantha poisonous? Unfortunately, yes. All parts of the plant are toxic to humans and pets. Does Aquilegia Chrysantha spread? Yes, it can self-seed readily, creating a charming colony over time. If you prefer a controlled spread, deadhead the flowers before they set seed. Can Aquilegia Chrysantha be grown in containers? Yes, but choose a large pot with good drainage. Ensure the container receives adequate moisture, especially during hot weather. Aquilegia Chrysantha versus other columbines. There are many columbine varieties, each with its own unique charm. Here's a quick comparison with two popular options. Aquilegia canadensis, Eastern Columbine. This native North American beauty features nodding, red and yellow flowers. It prefers moist meadows and tolerates more sun than Aquilegia Chrysantha. Aquilegia vulgaris, common columbine. This European columbine comes in a wider range of flower colors, including blue, purple, and white. It's a shorter variety, typically reaching 1 to 2 feet in height. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your garden's specific needs and your desired aesthetic. Beyond the basics, companion planting and design ideas. Aquilegia Chrysantha pairs beautifully with other shade-loving plants. Consider incorporating ferns, hostas, or bleeding hearts for a lush and textural composition. Here are some design ideas to spark your creativity. Woodland oasis. Plant your columbines under a flowering tree to create a naturalized effect. Cottage charm. Combine them with colorful foxgloves and delphiniums for a vibrant cottage garden feel. Pollinator paradise. Attract butterflies and hummingbirds by planting your columbines alongside other nectar-rich flowers like lavender and bee balm. With its easygoing nature and cheerful blooms, Aquilegia Chrysantha is a welcome addition to any garden. So, why not add a touch of sunshine to your shady haven?